Good morning, Steve here. So just to answer the question in reference to control systems and the heater over the bar area. So my original plan, it showed this heater here in the center. So there's 11 beams going across here. That would be the number 6 here, 5 on the left, 5 on the right. I actually moved this over just so we can get a little bit less crossover arrays over here, and I would stick with the 4,000 here, 4,000 here, and then I moved this one over as well, one position over, and I'll show you that in a second, as well as moved it so it's 18 inches from this edge. I would go with the 3,000 watt unit at this height. It's just because it would be too hot. Now if you had a control system on it and you wanted to dim this down, that would work. However, I don't think you'd ever use a 4,000 watt unit at this height, seating height. I just want to kind of go over that. I left this one originally where I placed it so that we have just a nice even crossover array here, and that's why I moved it. Now visually, looking at this stuff, I'm going to move it all back to where I had it originally, I think. But you can see here, this would be on the third one in, this would be on the third one in, and this would be on the center. There's a lot of overlapping rays here. I don't like that as much. It just would be probably too warm right here. So if you had a control system on it, then you can dim these two down, but then we're not getting that much coverage over here. So we really need to push this one. If you're looking at heating this position here, really need to push this one over to that side here, and then 18 inches off of this end here. So you can see I still have that at the original 20 inches, I believe, or 24 inches. Let's just move it over here, 18, and you can see that the coverage here would be a lot better for the bar area. But again, you need to move this one over around this space to heat the bar, and you're still getting good overlapping. Now we could equal this out and just move this one beam over. And again, I had stated in the original video, I don't like wasting that heat, but this would be a more even flow of heat throughout the patio. These would not be hot spots, so that would also work. But again, 3,000, 4,000, 4,000, and a 4,000 back there. Not sure if there's anything else. Control systems are awfully expensive, so if you didn't really need a control system, a simple on-off, you could always turn the heater, this one off and these two on, something of that nature. But I think most people would want a 4,000 watt unit as much as possible at this elevation. So I think that's about it. I hope that answers your questions. If you have any more, let us know. Thank you very much.